Good morning! Our topic for today is divisibility rules by 2, 5, and 10. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay dalawa, divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 at using divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 to find the common factors of numbers. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Or if the number is even. What is even numbers? Even numbers, when divided by 2, leave no remainder. Note that 0 is not an even number. The sum of 2 or more even numbers is always even. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on are sequential even numbers. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. What is the rule for the divisibility by 5? Divisibility by 5 is easily determined by checking the last digit in the number, for example, 475, and seeing if it is either 0 or 5. If the last number is either 0 or 5, the entire number is divisible by 5. If the last digit in the number is 0, then the result will be remaining digits multiplied by 2. For example, 50, 75, 90, 165, 120. A number is divisible by 10 if the number ends with 0. What is the rule for divisibility by 10? A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. For example, 20, 40, 50, 170, and 990 are all divisible by 10 because their last digit is 0. What I need to know: all even numbers are divisible by 2. Numbers ending in 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. Numbers ending in 0 are divisible by 10. Let's have an exercise. Encircle the numbers whose factor is the given number before each item. First group, let's see which number is divisible by 2. Is 88 divisible by 2? So, titingnan po natin ang last digit number kung ito ay even number. Dahil even number siya, divisible by 2 siya. Second, 470. Tingnan ulit natin ang last digit, if even number. Kung even number, divisible siya by 2. Yan. How about 93? Divisible ba siya by 2? Hindi, kasi hindi siya even number. Ang 295 naman, hindi rin siya divisible by 2. The second batch number, like 5,000, the last digit number of 5,000 is 0, so it is divisible by 5. Second is 7528. The last digit number is even number, so hindi siya divisible by 5. The third number is 6010. 0 ang last digit number niya, so divisible siya by 5. The last group, 6451, hindi siya divisible by 5. The third group is, let's see kung sino ang divisible by 10. 370. Ang last digit number niya is 0, so divisible ba siya by 10? How about 955? The ending number is 5, so hindi siya divisible by 10. 841. The ending number is 1, so hindi siya divisible by 10. 530. Ang last ending number niya is 0. Divisible siya by 10. The fourth group, let's see kung divisible ba siya by 10. 591, hindi rin. 347, hindi rin. 320, 0 ang ending number, so divisible siya by 10. Katulad ng 140. The fifth batch, hanapin natin dito alin sa kanila ang divisible by 5. 474. Ang ending number niya ay 4. So, hindi siya divisible by 5. 830. Ang ending number niya is 0. So, divisible siya by 5. 526. Ang ending number niya is 6. So, hindi siya divisible by 5. 450. Ang ending number niya is 0. So, divisible siya by 5. The sixth batch, tingnan natin kung alin sa kanila ang divisible by 2. 236. Ang last digit number niya is even number. So, divisible siya by 2. 211. 211. Ang last digit number niya is 1, so hindi siya divisible by 2. 208. Ang last digit number niya is 8, so divisible siya by 2. 1975. Ang last digit number niya is 5, so hindi siya divisible by 2. The seventh batch, tingnan natin kung alin dito ang divisible by 10. 595. Ang last ending number niya ay 5, so hindi siya divisible by 10. 592. Ang last ending number niya is 2, so hindi siya divisible by 10. 587. Ang last 587, ang last digit number niya is 7. So, hindi siya divisible by 10. 560. Ang last ending number niya is 0. So, divisible siya by 10. The eighth batch, tingnan natin kung alin dito ang divisible by 5. 375. Last digit number niya is 5, so divisible siya by 5. 401. Ang last ending number niya is 1, so hindi siya divisible by 5. 410. Ang last ending number niya is 0, so divisible siya by 5. 423. Ang last ending number niya is 3, so hindi siya divisible by 5. The ninth batch, tingnan natin dito kung alin sa kanila ang divisible by 2. 184. 4 ang last digit number, so divisible siya by 2. 201. 1 ang last digit number, so hindi siya divisible by 2. 312. 2 ang last digit number, so divisible siya by 2. 565, 5 ang kanyang last digit number, so hindi siya divisible by 2. The last batch is, tingnan natin kung alin sa kanila ang divisible by 10. 310. 0 ang last digit number, so divisible siya by 10. 315. 5 ang last digit number, so hindi siya divisible by 10. 320. 0 ang kanyang last digit number, so divisible siya by 10. 317. 7 ang last digit number, so hindi siya divisible by 10. So tandaan lagi, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Numbers ending in 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. Numbers ending in 0 are divisible by 10. What's new? On a certain bakery shop, there were 130 pieces of cookies to be placed on trays. The baker wants to arrange them either 2, 5, or 10 rows. Would it be possible for him to arrange the pieces of cookies? How? So, sasagutan natin ang mga tanong, what is asked in the problem, what are the given facts, what operation to be used to solve the problem, and what is the answer to the problem. What is asked in the problem? The possibility to arrange the pieces of cookies in either 2, 5, or 10. What are the given facts? The 130 pieces of cookies. What operation to be used to solve the problem? Division. What is the answer to the problem? The answer to the problem is the 130 pieces of cookies is an even number that can be divisible by 2, 5, and 10. So, pwedeng gawin ni baker na hatiin into 2, hatiin into 5, or into 10. Kasi, even number siya. So, another exercise. Write yes or no if the first number listed is divisible by second number. Is 45 divisible by 2? Tingnan natin na ang last digit number is 5. Hindi siya even number. So, hindi siya divisible by 2. Second, 90. Ang 90 ba ay divisible by 5? Oo. Kasi ang last digit number niya is 0. Third, 1,180. Ito ba ay divisible by 10? Tingnan natin ang last digit number. Ang last digit number is 0. So, divisible siya by 10. Fourth, 5,080. Ang last digit number niya is 0. So, divisible siya by 10. Last is 6,998. Ang last digit number niya is 8. So, even number. So, divisible siya by 2. So, let's solve another problem. Mang Jose needs have blocks of wood that are 5 meters long each. He found logs of wood in their backyard that have the following lengths in meter: 25, 50, and 61. Which of the 3 logs is his best option to get an equally sized block of wood without any excess? The answer is 50. It can be equally divided by 25 meters. How did you get the answer? by finding the common factors. 25 can be divided into 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25. 50 can be divided by 10. So 10 times 5 equals 50. Ang 10 naman is divisible by 5. So 5 times 2 equals 10. Ang 61 is not an even number. Therefore, it cannot be divisible by 2, 5, or 10. So Mang Jose should choose the 25-meter and 50-meter woods. Okay, let's have another activity. Draw a star under the correct column, applying the rules of divisibility. Is 6,345 divisible by 2? No. Is 6,345 divisible by 5? Yes. Is 6,345 divisible by 10? No. 8,022. Is 8,022 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 8,022 divisible by 5? No. Is 8,022 divisible by 10? No. 4,970. Is 4,970 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 4,970 divisible by 5? Yes. Is 4,970 divisible by 10? Yes. 2,560. Is 2,560 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 2,560 divisible by 5? Yes. Is 2,560 divisible by 10? Yes. 5,348. Is 5,348 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 5,348 divisible by 5? No. Is 5,348 divisible by 10? No. Remember, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Numbers ending in 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. Numbers ending in 0 are divisible by 10. So hanggang dito na lamang po. Hanggang sa susunod.